You're telling me this video was made with AI? In just minutes? No camera, no editing skills, no studio. And it's free. 100% free. Just ChatGPT. And a website that I'm about to tell you. Let me show you how. Step 1. Image generation. First, open ChatGPT on your phone or computer. You can use your image, or use any online image. Upload your image, and type this. Create a 3D high-quality AI animation image of this image in a cinematic style. Ultra-realistic 4K, professional lighting. Make the background black, show view of light at the center. You can change the style however you want, for your anime, business, superhero, model, or anything. Now click the button to generate the image, wait for a bit, and boom, your AI image is ready. Now go to step 2, save this image to your device. This is what we'll use to make the video. Now go to TikTok and look for any dancing video of your choice. Download the video to your device. Now got step 3. Next, open your browser and go to wan.video. This is where the magic happens. On wan.video. Click on this icon. At the top, click to select. Photo animate. After that, tap character to upload your AI image. Click on video. Choose a dance style video that you download from TikTok. Click here to generate. Wait a few seconds. And look at this. Your photo is now dancing like a real person. Download your video. It's now ready to post it on TikTok Reels Shorts or YouTube Shorts. Sit back and watch people asking you, how did you do this? Generate a good image character. You know, the better your AI image, the better your video looks. So always use clear prompts and good lighting styles. You can use this to make money online, start making content, grow followers, promote your brand. You can even sell AI videos online. If this helped you, like this video, follow for more AI tricks, and comment AI if you want the prompt.